Well, it's been about 500 or so miles since installing the 355s on the E-lockers. They're really electric over hydraulic. So far running pretty good. And this is the sweet spot, I think, as far as readily available gears go. 306 be fine if there was a flat land around and I wasn't gonna tow in the future, but the old 355s here, it's much better. Just cruising around in traffic, dead stop. About a quarter throttle, that's shift pattern. What about now? This acceleration's not bad. Cruising, I mean, it's higher than I'd want it to be, but that's what happens when you only have one overdrive. That's not bad. It's better than the 373s. These are about as big a tires as I want on there. But not too shabby.